Hey guys, this is Unusual Bee Works, and I thought I'd show you what we're working on here. This is our bee stand. We're going to be having some beehives up here. And we've got these buckets here for ant guards. You know, the ants can't climb up the post. And I just figured I'd show you what we've got so far, and I'll show you a little bit more on that when we get it a little bit more completed on it. If you want to build this yourself, it's just four posts in the ground here, 4x4 posts, and two, I believe these are 16-foot treated 2x6s with some pieces of 2x6s in between them. These are 14.5 inches, each one of these, and two pieces on the end that are 17 inches. We've now put a middle post on this, put our ant guard on there as well. Kind of got this idea from Southern Exposure 123. It's 12 foot. Should be able to put about 10, maybe 10 beehives across there. I hope these ant guards works. I ain't never built none with them like that, but we're gonna try them. Right there. Need to hold it up more over here. Right there. See her? See her right here? Tiger striped.